Okay, those who come and taking class, yes, and last class we have learned about the categories and computers. Yes, is it categories and the computers? And then we have seen what you have seen the next point, page number 9, page number 9. Okay, so we were talking about. So we were talking about reboot text. Okay, what we are talking about exactly? Yes. Okay. So the categories of yes, categories of computers. We have seen that in that one. First one, mobile computers. Next one is what is in the second one? Microcomputers. Next, yeah, mini computers, mainframe computers, supercomputers. Next point is computer language. Okay, computer language. So the computer, there is a, see, my all the mood has gone for talking to you. Yes. Okay. And computer language. If I am talking to you means, see here, I am getting like this errors in my class. See here. See, 502 bad gateway. So this is the problem which I am getting in my laptop, because see here. Okay, so that's why I can't take the class. Yes, and this is the way, because you are shouting like anything. I don't know. Parents are complaining, teachers are complaining. When some parents are texting, okay, again it is coming in my mind. So I will go back. Okay, computer languages. I will do the fast. Okay. Yes. So languages. There are three types of languages: machine language, assembly language, and high-level language. Okay. Machine language. Please underline. String of zeros and ones. String of zeros and ones. Underline. String of zeros and ones. Yes, and underline here, directly by CPU, and no translation of, yeah, no translation of program is required. This you underline. Okay, this you underline. 2 points. One is which is the first one, machine language, and that is also called low level language. It is made up of zeros and ones. Underline, and underline CPU, no, and no translation of program is required. And second one is assembly language. Assembly language. That is, second one is assembly language. Underline. In which year? 1950s. Then what we use to write this program? We use, okay, instruction is written using codes of letter. Underline. Codes of letters. I know this video is not clear. Video is not clear, but no problem. No, you have to adjust with that one, because if you interpret it, see here some are talking again. This much even, this much I told, again you are switching on the mic. Yes. Then what to do with that one? So I think I will say the parent, father, no need of this live class for 6th standard. 5th is okay. 5th standard we can take, 6th standard no, we have to tell like that one. Okay, third one is high level language. Okay, in the high level language, we use English words, mathematical symbols, and numbers. Examples are Java, C, C++, Visual Basic, this all. Yes, one more is there. That is fourth generation of language. What we use? Use English. Yes, use English, words, phrases, and is user friendly. And icons, also graphics also used there. Example is Prolog. What we use in that one? Artificial intelligence. So I will once again and brief, okay, showing one charts here. See here, computer languages. It is there briefly. It is there already. I posted in the. I have already posted in the what is that study material? Yes, the language. So this is a machine language. Machine language also known as low level language. It is also known as first generation of language. Okay, then what we use to write the program in first machine language? Zeros and ones. Example, C, C++, old one. The C and C++ start with the old one. With which one? Zeros and ones. Second one is assembly language and middle level language. Middle level language is also known as second generation. Okay, what we use? Codes of letter. What do you mean by codes of letter? A to Z, small letter, A to Z, cap letter, and 0 to 9. And again, C and C++, again the old one, or better than the mission language. Okay, same languages, but they improved with the codes of letter other than zeros and ones. Third one is high level here, high level language. That is also called third generation of language. Then what we use to write the program in third level or high level language, English words and symbols. Okay, and even numbers also we use to write program in a which language? Yes, high level language. Example, C, C++, Java, Python, Ruby, Perl, etc. Yes, and the last generation is the present generation is fourth generation. What we use? English words, phrases, icons, graphics, symbolics, representation, etc. Example of the program is Prolog. They use artificial intelligence. So this is about computer language. Next one is language processor. Page number 11. Page number 11. There are three language processor: assembler, compiler, and interpreter. Yes, assembler, compiler, and interpreter. So assembly languages, it will convert to machine language, because assembly language computer can understand only one language. Which is that language? I will show. I will show that examples here. Next page. So everything I prepared nicely with all the presentation and all. You missed that one, correct? No. See, again it is showing 502 bad gateway. See, everything I prepared very nicely with the story and some other incidents and all. But what to do? And in between they are calling. In between they are somebody is calling me. I'm taking class now. Somebody is calling from this class. See, I'm not saying the name. I don't know why you can't understand. It is all okay. So I think I should not record this class. I think, correct? No, I should not record this class. Yes, again it comes bad gateway. Okay, so I will explain here. Language processors. Underline, what to underline? Why we need the language processor? Because computer can understand, computer hardware can understand only machine language. Only machine language. Then if you are written in another language, what to do? We have to convert into machine language. So we need assembler, compiler, and interpreter. Assembler, compiler, and interpreter. Yes, and we'll come back here in the table. So assembly language to machine language, we use which processor? Assembler processor. So assembler processor is used to convert assembly languages to machine language. That means assembly languages to zeros and ones. Okay, one line, another one. Then we use another process, that is compiler. We use to write high level languages to machine language. Machine languages means zeros and ones. Then you can convert all the instruction together. All instruction together you can convert in the compiler, and it permanently serve the program. It compile once, report error. Any error is there in the program, it will report and run faster. Okay, but interpreter is another processor which converts high level languages to machine language. That means high level languages to zeros and ones. But the difference of compiler and interpreter. Okay, there is a difference of compiler and interpreter. You see the first point, convert one instruction after one. But here all instructions. Okay, then second one is permanently serve. Here it is. Which one? Interpreter will not serve. Yes, here compile once, and each time it will interprets. Each time it interprets, and it reports the error. That means find the bug. Okay, Yes, exactly. Find the error. But here, as if it is run wrong or right, it will run the program. And which one is faster? Compiler is faster, but this interpreter is slow. Yes, so this table will be there in the teaching material, okay, study materials. You go through, and the two tables are there. The difference also processors and language. You can read the textbook and underline. And few points I will say to underline. Please underline. Yes, one more. Assembler is program translate assembly languages underline assembly languages into machine language. And for compiler, exactly underline all. Already in the table it is there. Yes, and into machine language, and here only one instruction and after another, and this also convert to machine codes. Yes, you read all the table and all, and actually I prepared this tech terms and the question answer. What is that? This fill in the blanks match the following, but almost I lost the time, so I will take next day exercises. Okay, I will take in the next class. I don't know, again don't repeat in the next class. Okay, the same thing you should not repeat. Yes, okay. One humble request for you. Yes, I think this I am facing, your class teacher, I am facing like this one means, what about the other teachers? Correct, no? What about other teachers? How they are doing these all things? Okay, whatever it is, please. Okay, I am switching, I switch off again in between. I am, don't think that I am not switching off the voice. I am muting, always I am muting. And within few seconds, some are switching on. There is an option there for you, switching on and doing. Okay, please, really I felt, okay, and what the other teachers said, it was true, or it is true now, I can understand. Okay, so what I prepared all the class, gone. Everything has gone. I don't know how this, he's here. Once again, I will explain. Okay, see here. Again, it shows the same. I can't take the class now. Yes, even though I changed the time also. Okay, please, now one more doubt. After this one, no need to call. Sir, your video was not clear. Sir, your that one was not there. Nothing. Okay, nothing. Now, because I have taken now in mobile only. Usually I prepared in the laptop. Everything is ready. But gone. Okay, Dan. Yes, and next class we will see. And today you have to learn notice board. You watch. Everything it is there. Notice what to do in this class. What to do in this class, or what to do next. Notices are sending. Why we are sending notice? Yes, you have to see. Yeah, what is next? Yeah. Now, sir told to write. What sir told to write? Yes, 2 questions, 2 more. That means 4th and 5th. And we have to learn that one. And next class is a revision class. Yes, you have to switch on video. Then I want to see. I am not only I, all teachers are getting boring because watching this, which one, this device, mobile, laptop, there is no faces here, no, taking the class. To whom we are telling, we are getting bored and headache and also watching the camera. Yeah, correct, no? If you are watching here, cute faces, beautiful faces, wow, face to face. That's why we are taking online class. Live class, is it? Okay, let it be there. This class, I don't know, may not be uploaded in the what is the teach material. Nothing. I may delete this one because I don't like to repeatedly saying the same thing, which you also will listen and parents will listen. I don't want to say. So you can get the edited version, previous edited version. The YouTube links also I put it there in the study materials. You can go through, and notices are there. Go through that one. Next week is a revision, and you find out the answers of exercise A. Fill in the blanks. True or false. Choose the correct answer and match the following. You write with pencil answers. You write with the pencil in the textbook. Next class I will ask. You have to switch on the video. I will ask each one. That person will take the correct answer. Seeing the textbook, you can give me the answer. Okay, I know the time is 10:57. Time is 10:57. Okay, you are looking here. The sir is repeatedly talking the same thing. I know that one. Next time we will not repeat. But this is my duty as a class teacher. Otherwise, I will not never say. I'll take the class, switch off, and go. Yeah. Okay, my children, you are my children. Correct now? Yes, my babies. I want to get the feedback that you are good and you are responding well. Please. I already got negatively. It's okay. Leave it. Next time. Yes. So two things I told. Exercise A, B, C, D. Find out the answer from the textbook and write correct answer in the textbook with a pencil. And question answer fourth and fifth you write in the notebook. Okay. And in the notebook already it is there. How to write. Already in the study material image I put the see in that one you write. Okay. And next class I will ask. Okay, Dhanush, please show your notebook. Then you have to show switching on the video and show what is the how much you have written there. These are the few things which I can do the follow-up. Everything I prepared well, don't worry. But you have to cooperate, please. Yes. Now you have any doubts. Now you have any doubts. You can text me, or this is the time. This is the time you can unmute your mic and ask. Now you make any blah 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 blah. Everything you make no. Now no problem. That is a doubting time. You can ask any doubts, either mic or text. Yes, already Sanvi said no doubt, sir. Thank you. Good. I think this hot. Weather is hot, not till now. Yeah, every day, early morning, raining. You are under the blankets. Correct? No? Yeah, happy Guru Purnima, sir. Oh, good. Dhanu MV. Good. Okay, in the Guru Purnima day, you got nice from class teacher, no? And from Lijus sir. Yes, but I will not repeat these chapters again. I will not repeat. Don't say, sir, I didn't understand. You watch the YouTube videos. I already posted there. Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir, Benega. Yes, I am stopping there soon. Next class, I am ready with all the materials, the presentation and the video and much more things. Be ready for that one. Then revision class. Thank you. Another 20 minutes for what? Because that's a punishment for you. Okay, so I told no, I don't like this one. Okay, today's started with all the scolding and all. I don't like. I never do like this one. Okay, let it be. Yes. So next 20 minutes, what to do? Do homework already told. Then no need to ask him what to do about next. Your time is not yet over. What to do in the next? What is the two things already told? What is the two things I told? Exactly. Question. Okay, answer the following, fourth and fifth, write in the notes, and you learn and find out the answer of exercise A, B, C, D and write it. So 20 minutes over to find out. You find within that 20 minutes, write it down, do the homework and do the within 20 minutes, finish it and go for playing. Whatever you play. Yes. Bye bye. Okay, sir.